I remix her favorite song. Take a hit straight out the bong. If you know it, sing along. This Friday night, bad bitches with no clothes on, and they all gon' sing my songs. Oh, this Friday.
Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Hey, 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 hey.
What it do, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another banger for y'all. You know what I'm saying? First day, it was kind of just a chill day, but now we're about to go to the city and see what kind of sneaker stores and other shops they have down there and see what else we can do. Without further ado, I'm a shower. You know what I'm saying? I'm with Raph. What's Raph saying?
Bow, just woke up in my mansion and shit.
Yeah.
Look around. Look to it, you ain't know what's going on, but
Yeah.
back to me. We about to go shopping. About to go to the BAPE store. Might caught me a hoodie. Shout out Charles.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? You finna see.
I'll pick it up when I shower and once we're done. Let's get it.
Body, yeah. Woo. Let me go. Them niggas hating, I already know. They gotta ask who I'm coming with, cause they know I come with a heavy load. Just imagine my payoff for 7 shows.
Just imagine my payoff for 7 shows.
We got too much to lose. I hope my shooter don't let it go. I used to be stingy with the clips. You can hit it, figure lit. Spend 100K on this shit, but I ain't finished with the wrist.
What it do, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? We made it to NYC. We're in the city now. We're walking to BAPE. We're about to see, you know what I'm saying? If they got anything good, I'll update y'all when we get to BAPE. But yeah, buildings are crazy here. Let's get it.
I don't remember your homies. I don't remember the old me. But I know they remember us dolly.
I know they remember us.
Hey.
No.
Man said, please remove all shiesties before entering. Okay, pretty blue.
Hey.
Bare stuff at Origins, but you know what I'm saying? Kind of no prices, couldn't really see, but we're about to check out BAPE and we might come back, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, Origins in the up top up there, Origins NYC, let's get it.
Catch her up and I'm taking his jewelry. Catch her up and I'm taking his jewelry. I said, don't get it twisted.
Can't buy too crazy because, like, how are you gonna bring it back?
On God. Yo, these are sick, yo.
Because I smell like that don't mean I'm with the foolery. When I walk in my school, all the staff for me. I'm like, you used to do to me. I stay in the cut like a band-aid. And that's where my shooters be. One down, gun tuck, tool on me. Not switch, plus smoke. They do not know what just started. I pop a burger retarded, then back up the Rory. Then fuck in my grandma's apartment. I'm rocking Louis V.
What it do, YouTube? Man, just went to BBC $1 Billion Boys Club, you know what I'm saying? Raph's seen some things, but they weren't in his size. It's kind of a cry, They didn't have any t-shirts he liked. He's crying right there. That's why he's looking down, you know what I'm saying? He's having a bad day, but we're about to go to BAPE. Hopefully, you know, it brightens up his mood. Let's see when we get there. Let's get it.
I've been so childish, but she got that water. I ain't looking at my diamonds, yeah, them bitches water. Doors are suicidal when I'm in McLaren. She said I'm an idol.
What it do, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? We went to BAPE. They were kind of crying about recording. There wasn't too much in there. You know what I'm saying? We might go back eventually. Raph's seen a hoodie he liked. We're about to go to Flight Club. I'm about to record more in Flight Club for you. Hopefully we find some kicks. Let's get it. Yo, so we got on today. I see the drip, you know what I'm saying? Don't play with them.
No, I'm saying something light.
Okay.
Got my hair done.
Ooh.
Von Dutch in the hat.
Yeah, I slid for him. Okay.
Huh?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Nah. Yo, the hat, the
Custom Mills.
yeah.
Essential Lady.
Okay.
Supreme side bag.
Ooh.
Zara pants,
Yeah.
low runners, something like.
Something like it's just an everyday day, you know what I'm saying?
What about you, twin?
I just got the Nike tracksuit, you know what I'm saying? Air Force is on my feet. It's just a chill day, you know what I'm saying? We in NYC with it, what can I say? But gotta go to Flight Club like I said. I'll pick it up when we get there, let's go.
45, I'm on my way. Little bitch, I'ma do my thing. Plus, it's all up on my chains, cause you know it's Subi.
Okay. What did YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I got some clips at Flight Club. They didn't really have anything there, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of overhyped, you know what I'm saying? I didn't really find what I was looking for, but we about to go to round 2. So I'll update y'all when we get to round 2. Hopefully they have something I can cop, you know what I'm saying? I did not come to New York City to cop nothing, to cop air. But I'll pick it up when we get to round 2. Let's get it.
Stop flexing like you got it. Stop flexing like you got it. We all know what's in your pocket. We all know what's not in your wallet.
Yo, what are you saying, Ralph? You didn't find anything you liked?
Fuck no.
Damn, you know what I'm saying? We went to store after store after store. Nothing. No man copped nothing. We found nothing. But we're about to go to one last one. Hopefully they got something, you know. Hopefully it can save the day.
Hopefully.
We about to see.
I said this shit is a sign. Mr. BB with a number 9. I said she looking too fine. Tell her she looking too fine. I said baby, she look like a dime. Can't hit with a ghost, can't hit with the guys. She see the ring, tell me that I'm fly. Bitch, I went up, I caught them by surprise. I like, he said she want fuck like, land to the bed like, Kick Glock in the whip.
Yellow mellow. Go. Koosh, koosh, koosh. Rome fam, they really have the hoops. Where you at, yo? Like they got the ball. They got the hoops, like Rome fam. When we came all the way up here to cry. 4-level Nike store, crazy.
What do you do? Man's are crying.
Literally.
No purchase. It's been 48 hours.
Ooh. It's alright, we gonna get some. We gonna get some.
You got me?
Nah.
Wash the ass. Wash the ass.
Yeah.
Bitch, I clouded. I'm surrounded. Escape, bitch, I got.
They're good.
Alright, bro.
Huh. You're crying, you're crying, you're crying. No, small.
No, wait. I'm sorry.
Don't say Rome side, Rome is crying.
Bro, I miss you, bro. We gotta talk.
On God. What do YouTube mans are crying, you know what I'm saying? They did not have Raf's size at $1 billion boys club. He's crying, he tried like 3 different shirts. Look at him, he's cheese. What are you saying, y'all?
I got more money than your auntie.
Chicken, we spun the block on them. And they still didn't have none. It's alright. What'd you cop? What's in the bag?
You know what I'm saying? A little BAPE hoodie.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
Oh, no sneak peeks? No sneak peeks?
Make sure to check out my Instagram.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Jerry.
Host. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, we gonna see. We gonna see NYC with it, you know what I'm saying? First day. Tomorrow we got the first day of something real big. I'm gonna announce that next video. So, you know what I'm saying? You ready for tomorrow? You ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Ah, we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. What it do, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? We're about to go to the grocery store. We got back from downtown. We were kind of just going around to some shops, you know what I'm saying? Just shopping around. I didn't really see anything I liked, but Raph bought a hoodie. Without further ado, we're about to go to the grocery store and see what we pick up. Raph, what do you got to say?
From where?
Anything, just what do you got to say? This is your time to shine. 15 seconds of fame.
Follow me on TikTok at $1 billion.
Ooh, you heard it here first. Let's get it. What are you copping? Ooh, hey, hey.
I just wanna rock.
Hey.
I just wanna
Killed that hole.
That is though?
Yeah, again.
hit it once, no time. Shut up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my side. Kick them sides, and you better keep wide.
Yo, man, swipe that shit on my hand. I'm crying. Yo, pre-C, bruh.
I like that. Yeah, I got some Gucci polos. I got some, I got my closet is huge these days. Like, my new closet is like, it's still on the run. Yeah, he hasn't been caught. So there's.
What it do, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be the end for today's video, you know what I'm saying? We kind of just shopped around. Raph was the only one that copped anybody. I'll throw what he copped on screen right now. But without further ado, I'll see y'all on the next one. Let's get it.
I remix a favorite song, take a hit straight out the bong. If you know it, sing along. This Friday night, bad bitches with no clothes on, and they all gon' see my